Hi guys, it's Allison. I'm back with another video. One of these days I will actually formally sit down and talk, but today it's not the day. I'm doing a draw my makeup. Here are some of the this is moving so quick. This is some of the honorary mentions, but not the people that I have chosen. Here's Sarah. This is the beautiful green and pink look that she has sent in. So I'm going to attempt this. I'm also going to be doing 2 other looks, so stay tuned. This is definitely the easiest one. Starting by putting some white eyeliner on my eye to create kind of just a plain background, and then I'm adding green on top. And look, we're already at it. We're at the pink, and I just did a pink spot in the middle. That is all for this. So I'm also adding a little bit of blue eyeliner just to change it up a bit. I just got this from ColourPop, and I kind of wanted to use it, and also because this look is kind of like low-key, I wanted to throw in some blue. Finishing off with some lipstick and a lip gloss on top. And of course adding some highlight. I already did my face makeup, even though you can't tell because I have actually 300 pimples on my face, but we're just going to ignore that. That is all for this look. Definitely the easiest one of them all. It's giving me my childhood room vibes and also Sweet Pea fragrance vibes from Bath & Body Works, but we love it. So this look is a little bit more complex. As you can see, I have instructions here. Katie is not here to play. She says fade into white and then do a silver glisten on the top and the inner corner. So we are going to glisten, of course, but I'm just starting off by doing some blue in the outer corner. Then I'm adding in some yellow, and the whole time I was doing this, I was thinking about Blue's Clues, because when I was a kid, I learned from Blue's Clues, when you add blue and yellow together, it makes green, and so this color was coming out way more green than I wanted it to be. I wanted it to be more yellow, but I just kept thinking about Blue's Clues, and it was just such a throwback. I'm adding in some pink as instructed. Doing another white eyeliner line. I'm definitely going to need to buy a new one of these soon because I keep using it for literally everything. And then I'm doing a deeper purple below. And then using the same brush, I'm going to be using a brighter purple right on top of that line. And to kind of give it a contrast. And I'm just really going off of what the Snapchat was. And then below, I'm adding pink underneath. Little iffy about this look, but spoiler, it ended up being my favorite one. Added the glisten, of course. And here are my lips. Don't know what else to say to that. And adding some gloss on top. And more gloss. And then more glisten. This is the final look for look 2. I absolutely love it. Definitely gives me whatever era vibes this is, maybe 60s, 70s. But yeah, that is all for the second one. This is look 3. Pretty easy. Just kidding, haha. This is look 3. So this one took some time. Not even that much time, but it is a rainbow eye sent in by my sister. I didn't want to disappoint. This one had to be good. So essentially, I just literally took the same brush and started in the middle. Did purple, blue, yellow, right? Is that the rainbow? Yellow, green, all the rainbow colors. And really added all of that in. And then I went back the other way and then did red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Yeah, that's the colors. And blended it a little bit better. And I filmed this during election night, the first night of the election week that we're having. So kind of just wanted to choose this one too in honor of what's at stake in this election. Little pride moment. Right now I'm doing this voiceover without knowing the results, so we'll see where we're at, hopefully by when I'm posting this. And then, of course, you got to add in the eyeliner, so I'm adding in black on top to kind of bring all this together. and then just doing a normal wing on the eye line. All finished. Here is the red lip that I attempted. Really hated it. I didn't look like a clown at the circus. I looked like the whole circus. Instead did a nude pink lip as usual. It's probably the only thing that I like. Of course, added more gloss on top. And that is the final look. Obviously, this video was stolen straight from James Charles, so credit goes to him if you're seeing this, James. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.